ba nakaliang kacang state government bingbao chief minister hi ulaay ya kajing pensai
Ka Green Tech Foundation ka lapan pau ya ka jingbom sngotanat ka bajur persya ya ka sorkar jala Meghalaya halor ka project ban penroy commercial ya ka Lumpongdeng Island. Unong mikmat jong ka kenhun ula kenno ba ka sorkar kadang penbi ya kipat ba bat ka lapendon kam bakla ya ka bor jong ka bor sensar bat kipulit ban pensange ya ki jingya persya. Kajing keren kala khamjur halor kajing penchai jong menteri rangba ubalaong ba on omdon kijing tei kipane kani kasnong. Henry katkum ki kot balayo lingba ka RTI ka consent to establish leni CTE kalasha ai jingbet bantai ya ka villa ka restaurant cafe bat ki weipat kijing tei hakajaka ka bahe hadu laipon riu ikar. Ka Green Tech Foundation kala kili kumnu ki villa bat ki resort kilong tang ki basipor bat kala kenno makani kalong kajing penbi ya kipat ba. Nakaliang kamariang kakenhun ka lapen pau ba ka Lumpongdeng Island kadai ka caka ka badang sngan bat ka bukhut ka bajngai na ka jingya kendu pat ba kadai ru ka caka sa jong kisim ki bawan na jangai bat ka jingya pher jong ki jingthung bat ki marat ka Green Tech Foundation kala maham bala penlong ya ka kum ka caka jingya le kemen ne jingya ko pat ba kum ki festival bat ki jingya ko tem jingya le kanwanra ka jingja bo ha ka saudong saukun bat kan penjulor ya ka caka penpun jong kimrat bat kisim kakenhun kalabu jingkeliru halor ka jingpensai jong ka sorkar hakaliang ka jing ai jingbet kalong ba ka CTE bat ka consent to operate lani CTO kidai ki bahab apo ki an jingara maryang bat kalakali balai ka tanat forest ka don benta hakani ka jing ai jingben kani ka pen I ya ka jingbom sai bat ka jing artatin hakarukam trekam jong ka sorkar hakabakut ka Green Tech Foundation kalakentu ya ka sorkar jala bat sangeno ya kanu ka jingthmu pan penlong commercial ya kani ka island kala kadawru ya ka principle of precautionary hakaan kabaong badai ban shim jing maham lupa ban yada ya kamariang nakinu ki jingma kakenhun kalaong ba kan ailat ya kanu ka jing penjulor ya kamariang ka bakordor jong ka jala Meghalaya kani ka jing ya kan at ka pen I ya ka jing ya tingku apdeng ka jing thmu penroy bat ka jing yada ya kamariang kipat ba bat kikenhun ba pher kidang pet ngor ya karai jong ka sorkar hakini kisi kipanwan.
Who has the government called for a tender and who has they specifically constituted an SPV? We have all the papers at hand. And you had come out with an assurance from the Chief Minister himself. He said that there would be no temporary structures on Lumpongdeng Island. We had received through an RTI the consent to establish. Yesterday you came out to the public saying that there would be no permanent construction at Lumpongdeng Island. However, the CTE, it has been furnished from, as per the RTI, it is said that this consent to establish has been granted as per the particulars that has been given by the applicant. And if you read at point number 5, subclause 4, the built up area of Lumpongdeng Island, the resort area which includes 36 acres, talks of villas, restaurants, cafes and other facilities. Mind you, Mr. Chief Minister, sir, you are misleading the public. Here they are talking about resort, villas, restaurants, cafes. And you came out yesterday with a clarification saying that there would be no permanent structures. How can a villa be temporary? I'm going to ask you again. We have asked this since the last week. It seems very absurd and it seems that you are very keen to hide somebody. And moreover, you said that Lumpongdeng Island, the built up area out there would be only of shamianas, tents, pandals. Who are you joking? Who are you fooling? Who are you decepting out here? How can these be temporary in nature when your CTE speaks different? And you are so concerned, I'm going to put it in quotations, that you are also very secure about the environment of Lumpongdeng Island. Do you know that that island is not even properly reached out? It is a very remote island. No cars can go through. We can only access to the island by boats. It is untouched. It is pure. It is pristine. Your temporary structures, yesterday you came out, you said that there will be, you'll put up tents, stalls, which are temporary for events. It could be music events, literary events. I'm telling you once again, that island out there is for migratory birds. It is a hub for avian species. It is a hub for thriving of flora and fauna. Your music, your festivals will deplete all the biodiversity that is flourishing out there once and for all, once you make it commercialized. We do not want commercialization of the island. Be clear on that, please. We do not want any commercialization on the island because it is pristine. We have every research done on the island, and I'm going to bring you again the guidelines that you had published, the Meghalaya Water Bodies Preservation and Conservation Guidelines 2023. Yourself, your government had talked about noise pollution. You want Lumpongdeng to be commercialized with music, loud music. What kind of parties are you going to hold out there? You're going to disturb the very breeding ground of biodiversity of Lumpongdeng Island. Do you understand or do you not understand that? Now, who is misleading the people? Is it us or is it you who is just sitting there in your office, not even daring to name who are these people who are trying to mislead the public? And also you said that if a CTE and CTO has to be granted, there is some forest permissions that the proponents have to go through. Mind you, I'm going to teach you the law today, that the CTE and the CTO is the subject matter of a state pollution board as per the Air and Water Acts and also the Environment Protection Act. What has the Forest Department to do with the granting of a CTE and a CTO? Your vagueness, your ambiguity in your statements, and all that you're trying to do is to deceive the people and nothing else but yes, a sham. We are refuting the statement that you're giving yesterday, the clarification. It is nothing but a tactic again to confuse the public and to hide somebody. You're shielding somebody behind curtains. Bring out that person in front, because you're touching the very heart, the very big vast biodiversity of Lumpongdeng Island. It is a remote island, I remind you once again. It is a hub for migratory birds. It is a hub for avian species. It is a breeding ground for biodiversity. You have no right to commercialize it, be it temporary, be it permanent. We will not allow that. We will not allow you to disturb the biodiversity of Lumpongdeng Island. And from the government side, as people who serve the law, as people who uphold the principles of the law, you might know and be aware of the principle of precautionary that we apply in environmental laws. Or should I remind you about the Vellore Citizens Forum back the ruling in 1996, wherein the Supreme Court had mentioned that states must use the precautionary principle in order to safeguard environment against any kind of threat. Whatever you came out yesterday is nothing but a tactic to mislead, and you have a very malicious intent. I'm so sorry to say that. You hold the highest and the most prestigious, and you're the first person to answer in the state of Meghalaya. But we strongly and very saddeningly, we have to say that you have failed to live up to that position. Why do you need 60 years for your events at Lumpongdeng Island?